everybody, now finally I'm here in my new car and we're going to drive mountain driving wearing flip-flops today. So my camera angle is different than the Wigo car because of the dashboard. So it's different dashboard, and then also my camera here is more on the top. So okay, let's go. So I'm going out today. Oh my god, my dog is trying to chase the kids. Shh, Barbie! No ha, no. Oh. No ha, stay here. Stay. Barbie. So I just want to check first if all is. So I'm just thinking here that it's too high. I think I need to adjust also this one.